Out for a run with the dogs and Al now, and this trail is absolutely fantastic. We are so lucky. Yeah, they're going past. I just thought I'm gonna have to put Alison in hyperlapse to make her look as if she's running fast. Fuel stop. Fuel stop. Are they all there? Yeah. Come on then. Come on. Well, she's finally caught up with me, and ow.
Such a bullshitter.
She just swore. But how important is it to get out? And it's not just about getting out and running and having that. It's not just that, is it? It's about getting out, isn't it?
Yeah.
How good is it for mental health?
Fantastic, and anxiety.
Yeah.
Even though you may not feel like it, once you're out, you'll be glad you've done it. So, let's go! Oh, that's a big one.
It's a bank.
It's a hill.
Bank.
Show them the hill.
Yeah, they can't see on here.
Come on, James.
We're about 2 miles in now.
Yeah.
About 2 miles, and how many people have we seen on the trail? Not at the start. Two. So stunning. Have a look ahead. Absolutely beautiful trail. I've shown this a few times before. You got all those fir trees. This is what they farm. But over to the left hand side is the broadleaf woodland, which would have been probably a little bit more natural than those there, but absolutely enjoyable. The other reason we like coming through here, because it gives the dogs a bit of shade. We don't want them exposed to this hot sun, and there's plenty of places to have a drink of water, but they need to stay cool, especially in temperatures like this. So if you're out with your dogs, consider them, not just yourself. Well, she's gone. Not very fast. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. Hills. Let her take the lead a little bit. See, back in the shade now. That's what the dogs want. Just want to show you the bluebells up here. These are a native bluebell, and some of the Spanish bluebells are really invasive, so you've got to make sure you know what you're putting in. And even the weeds, I'm not sure what this weed is, but look at the flower on it, and anything's a weed when it's not wanted, mine, but look at the flower on that one. I can't remember the name of this. It drives me insane. We'll find out, but look at the ferns. Absolutely beautiful. Light shine through here. Stunning. Just got to be careful here. It's a bit rocky, but it's a beautiful trail right through the woods here. Oh, there we are. Oops. Bit flatter. There she is, waiting for me. This is a bit of a hill. Let's have a look, see where she is. Come on! Come on! All the way! It is steep, to be fair. Come on! Put it in. High five when you go past. Smile at the camera. Well, I just want to show you this wild digitalis, this foxglove, and it must be 4.5 feet tall, definitely. Nearly as tall as me, because I'm not that big. But you can see how the flowers, as they grow in, all the flowers are on the one side, and that's because they've cleared this area over here now, and this is where the sun is. Might sound obvious to some, but not to others. But absolutely beautiful. Ever are you doing? No, what was you doing? What was it?
I was trying to do some stretches.
Was that yoga?
Yeah.
What's the benefits of yoga?
Oh my god, loads.
Go on then.
Loads.
What pose is that?
Oh god, Warrior 1, I think.
Warrior 1? What's Warrior 2?
I'm not doing Warrior 2 at the minute. Look, you're spoiling my balance. That's the Cardiff.
Beautiful house in a beautiful location. Yep. She's still rabbiting on what she's going on about, but this part of the woods is what we call the Scrabble. It's quite steep up there, so there she goes. Well, the only reason we stopped now, not because we're out of breath, is we want to just show you where we're going through. Look at this.
It's a steep one.
Yeah, beautiful. Go on then, Rocco. Go on, Ty. Come on. Nice dappled shade here, and dogs are safe. Well, we've had water all the way around in different places and brooks and streams, but they like coming back in here and just cooling off. But we haven't been in direct sunlight really on the track. It's always been in shade. She comes. Right, push it. It is the. Come on. Push to me. You know. Come on. Push. To me. Come on. All the way. Don't stop. Go past me. Wet lettuce.